Everyone, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show you scan and repair system file on your laptop and desktops using system file checker in Windows 10. System file checker is a utility in Windows 10 that checks for problem with file on your computer. To run it, follow the steps. In the search box on the taskbar, type cmd and you find this command prompt. Press and hold from the list of results. Select run as administrator. Okay, I am select and run as administrator. Okay, and press yes. Now need to write some coding. ism.exe must be space, given space and backspace, writing online, again space and use backspace, writing clean up imag, again use space and use backspace and write it torehEalth. Okay, after written full, must be note that space before is backslash. Okay, and press enter. Deployment image servicing and management tool version, that image version like that showing there. This step may take a few times to start and up to 30 minutes to complete. It totally depend on your computer speed. If your computer speed is high, then very quickly and faster maybe complete this task. Otherwise need to 30 minutes. We are waiting until finish. Do not discard this video showing the continue, because after complete this task we follow the another steps. You must be need to complete to another steps. Therefore do not close the video. Friends, if you do not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technology video. We get success message. You can watching there is 100% is finished. The restore operations complete successfully. The operation complete successfully. We get find the message. Now we need to follow the next steps. That's what you need to write in there. SFC space backslash scan now. You write in there and just enter. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Friends, there also need to times we need to wait until get the success message until 100% is finished. We are waiting for complete the 100%. Very soon we get the message and we successfully automatically can be repaired system file. This is the most important for us. Sometimes we use the pen drive and other device. If there have virus and other things, then our system file can be affected from this file. So if you follow these steps and run these two steps, then you can recover again your system file. Hope you can get better benefited. We are waiting until finish 100%. So we are waiting now. Friends, we can see 95% is completed verifications. We get success message. We just waiting for success message. Hopefully it's not taken more time. Okay, we find the message is verification 100% is complete. Windows resource protection did not find any integrated violations. That means previous time I apply this method, that's were completed and 100 and successfully repair, and this is the second time when I run this time show the message did not find any integrity violate. That means my computer is safe. So friends, you can run these two comments in your PC, laptop, also desktops. Hope you get more benefited. Thanks for watching.